It is said that a moment of gratitude makes a difference in your attitude. To express your appreciation to everyone who contributes greatly towards everyone's success today. Ladies and gentlemen, let's lend our ears to Rian J. Rodriguez with honors for her words of gratitude.
It was not so long ago when I dared to dream, and not so long ago when I dared to take my first essential step toward the fulfillment of my elementary education. A pleasant afternoon, everyone, especially to our dearest principal, Ma'am Marites Elitongo, beloved teachers, supportive parents, barangay officials, guests, and fellow graduates. Today, together with my batchmates, we celebrate our success after all these years of hardship, struggle, perseverance, and joyful moments. We reminisce those moments as we savor the victories that came upon us, celebrating the success of a fruitful end of our elementary education. And the beginning of a new chapter in new school life means a lot to every one of us. All of us graduates are in mixed emotions, but this is the time for us to rejoice, for we accomplished something that we can be proud of. Standing here in front of everybody gives me feeling of pride and happiness, because I have proven to myself to the best of what I am. Only if I will strive hard and have a sense of determination and perseverance. I'm happy to myself because all of my efforts and sacrifices were all paid off. This year's theme, Generation of Unity. Partners for the New Philippines. This is exactly what we are. The graduates of today are called to be partners. Partners not just only for ourselves, not just for our families, but for the Philippines, our beloved country. And this partnership is built on unity. I would like to take this opportunity to thank God and those who have helped me achieve my dreams, especially Mama, Papa, and Kuya. Mama, Papa, salamat sa pagpahangod sa ako ng mayan. At pag-support naman ako sa anuman na gusto ko. Salamat sa pagpulabog ka para lang sigurado kung kaibalan ako. At salamat sa pagkasikas ko kung may ginabatag ako. Ilabi-labi ko may mga contest o sport na mga ginentrahan. Mama, Papa, salamat kid. I love you. I suddenly remembered of some memories with my classmates, friends, and teachers. These are the things that we love and share at. Sharing snacks during recess and riots as we ate our lunch in school, while others were sharing it to our teachers. Sweet memories, but sometimes bitter when we quarrel to each other. But our teachers are always there for the rescue. Lastly, now that the society may somehow consider us growing up, I hope that we will never forget to thank God and to ask His guidance. May we instill on us the values and lessons that we have learned. To my fellow graduates, we end up one flourish chapter of our lives, and new one will begin. New adventures, new friendships, new series of experiences to treasure. Graduating! Let's move forward for a brighter future. God bless